The OnePlus 15T is launching very soon, perhaps before the end of this month. The brand has already shown us the device in all three colorways: white, green, and dark brown shades, with a flat frame, flat display, and a square camera island housing two vertically aligned cameras. There is still a square camera island in the top left corner of the phone's back. OnePlus is set to launch the 15T in China this month. The phone measures around 71.82 millimeters in width and weighs roughly 194 grams, and an IP69K rating for dust and water resistance. The OnePlus 15T will allegedly have a 50MP main camera using Sony's 1/1.56 type Lisha 700 sensor, and a 50MP telephoto camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor. Fresh camera samples shared online give a glimpse of its imaging direction. The OnePlus 15T will feature a new LUMO periscope telephoto lens, promising notable improvements in both hardware and image processing. The OnePlus 15T is confirmed to come with a 6.32-inch AMOLED screen with thin bezels. That panel will offer a 1.5K resolution and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The OnePlus 15T is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. It's also tipped to pack a 7,500 mAh battery with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging support. It's also expected to debut in India as the OnePlus 15s. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.